Welcome to our comprehensive comparison of two leading project management platforms in 2025. Today, we'll dive deep into Monday.com versus Jira, helping you understand which tool is the perfect fit for your team's unique workflow needs. Whether you're managing cross-functional projects or developing complex software, this comparison will give you the insights you need to make an informed decision. Let's start by understanding what we're comparing. Monday.com is a versatile work OS designed for teams with a highly visual and customizable platform that adapts to any workflow, from marketing campaigns to product development. It's built with simplicity and flexibility at its core. On the other hand, Jira is a suite of powerful, specialized tools from Atlassian, primarily designed for software development and IT teams. It's known for robust issue tracking and agile methodology support, making it the go-to choice for technical, process-driven workflows. The core difference is clear. Monday.com is a flexible, all-in-one visual management platform, while Jira is a specialized, structured tool built for technical teams who need precision and depth in their project tracking. Understanding your team's profile is crucial for making the right choice. Monday.com users typically include teams that need a visual, intuitive, and easy-to-use platform. This includes organizations with diverse departments wanting a single tool and teams prioritizing customization without a steep technical learning curve. Jira users, conversely, are primarily software development, DevOps, and IT teams. Organizations following structured Agile or Scrum methodologies find Jira invaluable, as do teams requiring deep issue tracking and code repository integrations. Monday.com offers a flexible platform that adapts to your team's project management needs, while Jira is tailored for software development teams that need to track issues on a granular level. When it comes to project management features, both platforms excel in different areas. Monday.com shines with its flexible workflows, allowing you to easily create and customize boards for any project type. It offers multiple views including Kanban, Gantt, timeline, calendar, and more, plus one-click visualization of team capacity through workload management. Jira takes an agile-centric approach with specialized features like sprints and backlogs. Its powerful issue tracking system includes complex task hierarchies management and bidirectional tracking across projects. Building world-class software requires great tools. Jira is built for Agile and DevOps teams to plan, track, release, and support great software. This makes it unmatched for software development workflows that require precise tracking and reporting. The user experience tells a compelling story about each platform's philosophy. Monday.com features a visually engaging, clean, colorful, and intuitive interface with a lower learning curve. Teams can get started quickly with minimal training, and it's designed for visual thinkers and non-technical users who want immediate productivity. Jira, while highly functional, has a complex interface that's optimized for technical teams with specific process needs. There's a steeper learning curve requiring significant time investment for new users. However, this complexity pays off for technical teams who utilize its specialized features. Compare Jira versus Monday.com project management, which is better in 2025. In-depth review of features, pricing, and user experience. See screenshots and expert analysis. Rating: the 6th of February 10 versus the 7th of May 10-inch. Both platforms offer powerful automation, but with different approaches. Monday.com features user-friendly if this, then that automation builder that makes it easy for any team member to create powerful workflow automations without coding knowledge. Beyond basic automations, Monday.com has incorporated AI-driven custom automation features that can analyze your workflow patterns and suggest optimizations. For integrations, Monday.com provides extensive third-party integrations with business applications across marketing, sales, design, and productivity tools for a connected ecosystem. Jira's automation rules are particularly powerful within the Atlassian ecosystem with more technical capabilities, but requiring more expertise. Jira excels at development-centric integrations with tools like Bitbucket, GitHub, and other Atlassian products, creating a seamless DevOps workflow. Data visualization and reporting serve different audiences in each platform. Monday.com offers customizable dashboards with visual widgets for high-level overview, flexible reporting with intuitive options for non-technical teams, and business-focused metrics that translate across departments. Jira provides specialized reporting with robust software development metrics, technical focus including burn-down charts, velocity reports, and sprint metrics. However, it requires plugins for more versatile business reporting needs, making it more suited for teams that need technical project insights rather than broad business reporting. 2025 has brought exciting AI developments to both platforms. Monday.com AI features integrated AI capabilities that assist with task summarization, text-to-filter queries, and automated suggestions. These features are designed to be accessible for all teams, focusing on workflow optimization and productivity enhancement. Jira and Atlassian Intelligence brings AI integrated throughout the Atlassian suite, helping with ticket triage, summarizing content, and generating drafts. AI work breakdown simplifies the work needed to get projects across the line by letting Atlassian Intelligence recommend relevant subtasks and child issues. The focus is on improving technical workflows and reducing manual work for development teams. Let's break down the investment you'll need to make. Monday.com offers tiered plans including individual, free, basic, standard, pro, and enterprise tiers with escalating features designed for diverse team needs. It uses per-user pricing, typically with pricing per seat per month when billed annually. Monday offers a more budget-friendly, flexible solution when it comes to pricing. Their individual plan is free forever, while their basic plan is only $8 per seat per month. The feature progression is logical. Individual, free, supports up to 2 users with unlimited docs and boards and 200+ templates. Basic adds essential task management and collaboration with unlimited items and 5 GB storage. Standard introduces timeline and Gantt views, automations and integrations, and guest access. Pro includes time tracking, formula columns, chart view, and advanced automations. Enterprise provides custom pricing with enterprise-scale features. Jira also uses tiered plans, free, standard, premium, and enterprise tiers, each unlocking more advanced capabilities tailored for technical and agile teams. Both Monday.com and Jira have very similar pricing structures, including annual and monthly billing options, though the costs vary slightly between them. Jira generally becomes more cost-effective per user as team size grows, especially for software development teams utilizing its specialized features. Scalability considerations vary significantly between platforms. For small teams, both platforms offer entry-level solutions, with Jira's free tier supporting more users, 10 versus 2 for Monday.com. For mid-size organizations, Monday.com offers specialized products like Monday Sales CRM and Monday Dev to meet specific team needs, providing horizontal scaling across different business functions. At enterprise scale, Jira offers enterprise-grade administration, security, and governance features with a self-hosted data center option for organizations with specific security requirements. This makes Jira particularly attractive for large organizations with strict compliance needs. Let's summarize the key advantages and limitations. Monday.com's pros include high flexibility for any workflow, visually appealing and intuitive design, powerful no-code automation, and excellence for cross-functional teams. However, Monday.com's cons include being more expensive for large teams, lacking deep technical features, and being less suited for intricate bug tracking. Jira's pros are being unmatched for software development, offering robust issue tracking, powerful automations, and strong DevOps integrations. G2 reviewers rated Monday Dev better than Jira for meeting their business needs and having better quality ongoing product support. Jira's cons include a steep learning curve, complexity for non-technical teams, being not as visually intuitive, and requiring add-ons for some core features. When should you choose each platform? Choose Monday.com if your team is non-technical, cross-functional, and values visual collaboration. It's perfect when you need customization for diverse projects across departments and when you want a single tool to replace spreadsheets and email for project management. Choose Jira if your team focuses on software development with agile methodologies, you need powerful bug tracking and issue management, or you require deep integration with development tools. Jira excels when your workflow demands technical precision and detailed project tracking. It's worth mentioning Atlassian's third option, Trello. While Jira is Atlassian's flagship product, they also offer Trello, a minimalist alternative to Monday.com for basic task tracking. Trello provides simple, card-based Kanban tools without the extensive features of either Monday.com or Jira. It serves as a lightweight option for teams who need basic project visualization without complex workflows. The choice isn't a matter of better, but of better for you. Think of Monday.com as the Swiss Army knife, the versatile, all-in-one tool for a wide array of business needs across departments. It adapts to your team rather than forcing your team to adapt to it. Jira is the precision-powered tool, a specialized, industry-leading solution for technical and software development teams. It provides unmatched depth and capability for teams who need technical precision and can invest in learning its systems. Our recommendation is straightforward. If you are a technical or development-focused team, Jira is the industry standard for a reason. Its depth, integration capabilities, and specialized features make it irreplaceable for software development workflows. If you are a non-technical team or an organization that needs a flexible platform for multiple departments, Monday.com is the clear winner. Its visual approach, ease of use, and adaptability make it ideal for diverse business needs. For next steps, both platforms offer free plans, so the best way to make a decision is to test them with your team's real-world projects. Create pilot projects in each system to evaluate which better suits your workflow and team culture. Remember, the best tool is the one your team will actually use consistently and effectively.